Okay, so on this one, they're wanting us to simplify. All right, so how do we do that? Well, basically, we have the numbers in the front first off. Now, 4 and 14, we can reduce those, right? How do we reduce those? Well, you can divide this one by 2 and this one by 2. So what will that leave us? Well, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So first off, do that. And then it comes to the x's. I get x to the 10th over x to the 7th. That is x to the 3rd on the top. And why on the top? Because the bigger power was on the top. So whenever you have powers for a letter, top and bottom, you subtract them. And wherever the bigger one is, that's where the leftovers end up, right? Because really what that means is there's 10 x's on the top for, x to the 10th over x to the 7th. What it really means is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the bottom, and cancel, 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 cancel. 3 are left on the top. Whereas when it comes to the y's, notice we have y to the 15th on the bottom, y to the 8th on the top. So really what happens, we have 15 on the bottom. You don't have to write all these out. I'm just showing 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8 on the top, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And so then a bunch of canceling happens. And we're left with what? These, which is 7 of them on the bottom, aren't we? So it's y to the 7th on the bottom. The leftovers are on the bottom. And then that's really it. There's nothing more we can do. We're left with a 2 over 7 because we reduced 4 over 14 divided top and bottom by 2. Subtracted the powers. The higher power of x was on the top. Leftover x is on the top. Higher power of y's was on the bottom. Leftover y's on the bottom. And there we go. There's our answer.